And today I want to share with you a remarkable spoken word piece by Salome Akbarji titled The Unprompted, a poem that AI will never understand. It is a work that confronts the rise of artificial intelligence not with fear but with human defense, reminding us to what machines cannot replicate, cannot truly feel, and cannot prompt into the being. We live in a time when AI is everywhere. It writes poems, it crafts images, it responds with conversations. But what about the shadow that linger in human consciousness? The empty webs between notifications, 3 a.m. anxieties, the edge of belonging, the longing the word really touch. Salome's poem isn't just a poetic reflection, it is a declamation of the unquantifiable parts of the being human. One of the central tensions Salome explores in the difference between a machine generating content based on the data and a human living through moments of pain, confusion, thought. An AI can approximate speech, mimic style, but it cannot help those restless 3 a.m. thoughts, the particular kind of longing that is messy and personal, the might of memory loss or joy that doesn't translate into the data points. So the unprompted as resistant, because the unprompted suggests something spontaneous, something beyond the controlled input, and Ceylon challenges the idea that creativity must be triggered, prompted, curated. She asks, what about impulses, fragments of feeling that arrive unasked? What about art born from the silence, from the heritage, from the edges of consciousness? Those are the things machines may simulate. They may produce poems, but they can't be unprompted living. Throughout the poem, there is a sense of tension on one heart, or lives are mediated more than the other by screens, by AI assistant, by virtual chatter. On the other side, there is a longing for real connection, for the community, for vulnerability that isn't filtered. Salome reminds us that the essence of what makes us human, fragility, folly, passion, are what AI might try to copy but can never inhabit. So listening to this poem, I felt an edge recognition to such of the modern life is mediated, streamlined, designed, but rarely spontaneous. It made me question, when was the last time I felt something unprompted? When did I let myself suffer, feel, or create something because it needed to be expressed, not because it was convenient or shareable? Salome's work pushes us to value those raw, unfiltered moments. It reminds me that creativity and art are not only about the perfection, polish, or virality. These are about honesty, risk, and vulnerability. So finally, while AI offers many tools, technology, conveniences, and we should not allow it to overshadow what is uniquely ours, our consciousness, our grief and desire, our capacity to hold contradiction. Thanks so much for listening. Let this point be a reminder whether whatever AI can do, AI can never be truly understand the unprompted. Let us live that strange wild space of humanity and hold its game. That was my today's study study review. I hope you all inspired by it. So see you next time with a new topic of my study studio. Till then, Allah Hafiz in and as always, Pakistan, Zindabad. Take all of you. Allah Hafiz.